sorry guys for that quickly for that cut off for that breakup, because people keep on calling me. I don't know why they are calling me directly or trying to, I don't know. So sorry for I was saying something before that breakup happened. So what I'm trying to say is that I just want to round up. I just have 6 minutes just to round up. I just want to round up. That's why I'm back here now, just to round the whole thing up, because I just have only 6 minutes left. So in other words, what I'm trying to say is that coming back with the relationship depends on the person. It's individual stuff. You understand? It's an individual stuff that it depends on you, or it depends on what you want, how you value, how you think that how with the outcome of the relationship, or what do you think that will be the outcome. So it's an individual option. So that's how I want to conclude this our program for today. So I'm so sorry for that breakup. We're almost getting to the peak, as in we are almost done with the program for today before that quick breakdown comes up. So what I'm trying to say is that let's just follow our heart. If you know that you can be able to forgive and continue with the relationship, fine, I'm not against it. But if you know that you cannot be able to forgive and go on with the relationship, but try as much as possible to forgive, then moving on with the relationship, you cannot be able to do that, fine, I'm not against any of your choice. Whatever you decide to whatever you choose to do, either to move on or to decline, fine, is a choice. You understand? Like I said before, I will repeat it again. They said people coming back into your life again for a second time for a relationship, either she's not happy the way she left, that she's not break your heart the way she wants it, or he's not done hurting you. That's why they are coming back, because telling me that they will change, though quite alright, some people do change, but that issue of that cheating there, like I said before, I said a guy can have sex with 50 girls and he will not attach any feelings to it, but a girl cannot have sex with any guy at all without attaching feeling to it. I know many people will be saying, what of those people are doing a shower, or those people are doing road work? This program will open up, will say everything. Yes, you won't tell me that a girl that is doing road work or doing a shower for anything, even if you have that sex, you must attach feeling to it. The only thing that differentiates her not going ahead with that is because the person that he had that sex with is nowhere to be found again. But anytime she saw that particular person, that anxiety, that urge, that feeling must definitely come back on her again. That's just the difference. But if she's not seeing the person again, if she never sees the person again, that's how it goes. It may end that way, but definitely. But you know, not say I show the get customer. I will just open up like that. Why are they getting customer if they are not attached feelings to it? Because some of them think that, okay, I'm just doing just to get the money. No, a guy can sleep with 100 girls and have no feelings attached to it, but a girl cannot do that. So what I'm trying to say, I'm not criticizing anybody. Whatever you're doing, do it with your sense, do it with your brain, and make sure that at the end of the day, you save yourself from everlasting regret. Because there's a word that said, it's better to marry late than to marry early and suffer forever. You understand? So check the two ways. It's better for you to remain single than to be into a relationship that will not have rest of mind. Like one of our callers said before, said he cannot marry a girl that have cheated on him once, because if he does such a thing, if he went to work, or perhaps he travels out of the environment, he won't be at peace. You understand? He'll keep on, thinking, okay, what would this woman be doing right now? Who know the guy went there with now? Who know what she they do now? Whether they do this one or that one, because that trust has been betrayed. This relationship of a thing, or this trust of a thing, is just like a glass cup. You can, if a glass cup falls down and break now, it's hardly for you to gather it again. Even if you gather it again, it's useless. Like one of our white woman that used to join us all the way from Switzerland, she said, you can gum it with super glue, but you can never drink water from it again. That's just it. So my brothers and sisters, or my fellow youths, or my fellow friends that are watching this program, please, before you do anything, take your time, study the actions that will come from it, whether the action will make you or that action will break you. That's just the simple, because everything that happens, everything in this life, there's only two things involved, and that two things involved. And if you watch everything that is happening in this life, there's always two things involved, either the good or the bad, either the person live or the person die, either you dey eat or you dey hungry. Not you will betray. Now only two things now they involved in this life, either the person die alive or you die. You understand? Either you be boy or you go be woman. You don't go be boy, you don't go be boy girl. No, you must choose one. So what I'm trying to say is that let's use our sense. Let's make use of our brain. Let's not make use of our private part. Let's make use of our brain and what you have to offer. Let's live like that our children will wake up tomorrow and say, I thank God for the life of my dad, that I thank God for the life of my mom, the kind of life they live and the kind of life they brought us up to. You understand? Please, I'm not criticizing anybody, but please do something that will help you, that will help your future. There's some sacrifice you have to make to get what you want. Even if it's taking you, even if it's causing you to lose some things, and you know that you know the direction you're, just only to pray and ask God for direction to help you to do that. So please, I'm so sorry I'll be ending this program here for today. I need to have some rest. So don't forget to join me on Wednesday by 9 p.m. until 12. We normally end at 12 o'clock. So there's a very wonderful topic we'll be discussing that on Wednesday. I urge you to join me, please. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us. And I believe that you continue to share this program. Invite more of your friends. At the end, we all have something to testify about. Thank you so much. I love you. My name remains Chris Nkume. In my other profession, depending where I am, I will not add that DJ. But for this program, call me my real name. My name is Chris Nkume. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. See you on Wednesday. Good night. Do have a wonderful night rest. Okay. Bye.